Recipe for canola or gujia. For the dough you will need 1 cup of plain flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and half a teaspoon of elaichi powder. For the filling you will need some randomly chopped almonds and some randomly chopped pistachios, which are both unsalted. You'll need some raisins, 1 cup of desiccated coconut, half a cup of suji or semolina, and you need sugar to taste. We'll first start off by adding some oil to the flour and mixing it together. Making sure that the oil is well absorbed in the flour. Now add the elaichi powder and the sugar. And use a little bit of water, around a few tablespoons, to make a dough. Work on the dough until it's smooth. And we'll keep it in the fridge for at least 1 hour. Meanwhile, we will prepare the filling. So first of all, add some oil to a pan. And we'll add the suji to lightly toast it. We're doing this on a low to medium fire so that the suji doesn't burn. And we're just toasting it to get the rawness out. After 1 minute of toasting, we will now add the nuts, so the almonds and the pistachios. And we will roast this together for another minute. And now after a minute, it's done. And when this filling has cooled down, we will add the remaining ingredients. So we're adding the raisins and the desiccated coconut, and finally we're adding some sugar. And just mix it together. After the 1 hour in the fridge, we will dust the dough and using rolling pin to flatten the dough out. Remember not to dust too much flour on the dough. Don't make it too thin. Now we will use a round object to make circles in the dough. Now we will take out the excess dough, and with the remaining dough we will repeat the process. Now we're taking the dough circle and putting the filling in the middle, and we're pressing the edges after folding it in half. And when we're done with them all, we will flatten them again and use our fingers to fold over every few millimeters. So we're flattening the edges, and then we're taking the edge, picking it up and folding it in. We'll heat up the oil. We're frying it on a low to medium flame, and let it take its time, and turn it over from time to time. The gujias are now done, so we will cool them on a rack. Your canola or gujia are now ready to be served.